How to change addressing Santander Bank app. So open the Santander Bank app and log in using your username and password. Then look for a section in the app menu labeled Setting or Profile. After that, within the Setting or Profile section, there should be an option to update your personal information. This may be labeled as personal details, contact information, or something similar. Then, find the option to update your address and select it. After that, entering your new address, the app may ask you to verify the change before finalizing them. Once you have reviewed and confirmed the changes, submitted them through the app, then you may receive a confirmation message or email confirming that your address has been successfully updated. Thanks for watching.